Welcome to Autism Mathematics. In this video, if k squared raised to the power k squared is equal to 7 raised to the power 98, we have to find the value of k where k is greater than 0. So let's see how we are going to start this. So remember, 98 is the same as 2 times 49. So k squared raised to the power k squared is the same as 7 raised to the power 2 times 49. And from indices, a raised to the power m times n is the same as a raised to the power m all raised to the power n. So this implies that k squared raised to the power k squared is the same as 7 raised to the power 2 all raised to the power 9. And we are going to have k squared raised to the power k squared, which is the same as 7 to the power 2 is 49 all raised to the power 49. So we can say that k squared is equal to 49. Now to find k, we take the square root on both sides. So k will be equal to plus or minus square root of 49. K will be equal to plus or minus 7. But we're told k is greater than 0. So therefore our k is equal to. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching this video. If you like this video and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted.